Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, I'm back onto trying lipsticks. And today, I'm going to try and show you, give you my review because I've been using this lipstick like for so long. Let's going to try, or not going to try, Victoria, do this properly. I'm going to give you my review with the Sunnies Face Fluff 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 Fluffmate lipstick. So if you want to know my thoughts, and I'm going to try some shades for you guys, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, there's something wrong with me. I haven't done a video like this for the longest time. It's because I've been busy, I guess. But I've been trying this lipstick. Like, I've been using it for months now, and yeah, I love it. Kay Sunnies Face is actually a Filipino brand, and I think you can buy this for 345 pesos in the Philippines. I bought this again from Lipstick Queen SG. She's an online seller here based in Singapore. And yeah, so it's a weightless modern matte lipstick. Notes. Um, they do say it gives you a second skin feel. It's universally flattering. I wanted to try this on with my sister because we are both like different skin tones, but in one quick swipe, and I just found this out when I was like doing my research after using this for the longest time, is it multi-stick. You can use it for your cheeks, for your eyes, which today I can't show you guys because as you can see, your Lola is like full makeup on. So let's remove the lipsticks and I will show you the 5 lipsticks that I actually have. And let's talk about the packaging first. So the packaging is like this. It comes with a box, and the shade would be actually at the bottom, and it's also has it's cruelty free and vegan, I guess. Can you see that? Okay. And then Fluffmate, a weightless modern matte lipstick. And then the lipstick would look like this. It's a transparent acrylic thing. And then it's a twist up, and yeah. The shades is at the top of the cap. And if your eyesight is good, you can actually see the shade name at the bottom. Which, good luck, Victoria, because my eyesight is bad, but we can do this. Go to my favorite part of the video wherein I try on, swatch for you guys, and let's get started. Okay, the first shade will be Milkshake. It's a warm pink nude. Next would be Vacay. It's a peachy papaya. Okay, next will be 143. It's a berry rose. Next is Mood. It's a taupe mauve. And last but not the least, Hot Sauce. It's a tomato red. And that's it. That's all the 5 shades that I actually bought from Sunnies Face. And okay, I seldom say this, but I'm a person who loves lipsticks. I have a lot of lipstick collection, and this is actually the first time that I actually like all the colors that I purchased from a particular brand. There was no hit, it was all hits, from the nude shades to the pinky mauves and even this tomato red. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me show you some swatches first. So let's start off with Milkshake, Vacay, 143, Mood, and Hot Sauce. I've been loving them all since I started using them. I mean, they say it's weightless, which is true. Um, it's just one quick swipe. I guess it's not, unless you're an expert, that you can do this. But usually I would do one, two, and then I would blot my lips, and that's it. It doesn't dry my lips. It doesn't dry my dry lips, which is good. Uh, Longevity wise, I don't think it's supposed to be long wearing, but again, it's a matte lipstick. They don't claim that it's long wearing, but it's easy to apply. I mean, it doesn't fade into an ugly fade lipstick, but it does give you a little bit of like leftover tint, which I think is good. um, I would not tell you how easy it is to actually remove, because again, it's not long wearing, which I actually don't mind, because I'm the type of person who likes to keep on changing my lip color all throughout the day, so I'm fine with it. And yeah, it's a Filipino brand, and just in case um, you're not familiar, if you haven't known, they have a collaboration with one of this Hollywood model, which I forgot her name, but I would put her photo, and they have a collab, which is like Sunnies Face. Congratulations, another Filipino brand that I love, and I'm so glad that I've tried it. And yeah, I knew they recently launched a nude collection, like lipstick collection. I will try it, I will buy it, and give you my thoughts on them once I have it. I love their eyebrow products. I've been using it for the longest time. And yeah, so if you like this type of videos wherein I do review some other Filipino products, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what is one of those Filipino brands that I should try. As in, literally legit, I should try. I don't know how I'm going to get my hands on them, but I will try them, because yeah, it's time to support the Filipino brand who are making like waves. And I'm just so happy, and I love this lipstick. I love the eyebrow products. Please let me know in the comment section below, because I do want to try other Filipino brands. So don't forget, if you like this type of video, give this video a big thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!